Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Jamaican curry goat. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end of this video and like this video so others can see it. I'll start by seasoning my goat meat. I'm adding salt, bouillon cube and a little curry and mixed spice. I'm also adding fresh scotch bonnet peppers. You can also use chili pepper or chili flakes. I'm using onions, can also use white onions, and I'll marinate this with olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Mix it properly, cover it up and allow it to chill in the fridge or freezer for few hours before bringing it out for the curry goat sauce. So to a clean pot, I'll add in my olive oil. Like I said earlier, if you don't have olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. And I'll go in with my well marinated goat mix. Okay, this it's important to know that for curry goat you use boneless boneless goat meat. Preferably it's good to use male goat for this so that it can cook really fast. So cover that up and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my onions, scotch bonnet and some garlic. Blend it roughly and put it in the goat meat as it's cooking to give it more flavor and taste. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Chef MMN, and on this channel I create video on how to make Nigerian and intercontinental dishes, pastries, kitchen related content. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment, recreate this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. So I'm putting in thyme, curry powder and mixed spice. You can use adobo mixed spice or any mixed spice of your choice, and preferably if you have Jamaican curry you can use it, but if you don't have Jamaican curry you can use the regular blue cross curry or any curry brand of your choice. So I add in some water to make the goat's meat cook properly and mix well with the spices. So cover that up. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead get my Irish potatoes and peel. Jamaican curry sauce. Jamaican goat curry is one of my favorite Jamaican food. Okay, you can pair this up with rice and peas. I'll drop a video on how to make rice and peas and you will enjoy it. It's very nice, guys. So cut the potatoes into wedges like this. So I'm done cutting the potatoes. I'll go ahead and put it in a bowl of water. Give it a proper rinse. And check my goat meat if it's well cooked and soft, and it's perfectly okay, and the seasoning, everything, the taste is perfect. I'll go ahead and add in my potato wedges. Mix it up properly and allow it to be well incorporated. Then cover that up and allow it to cook. So I've already scraped and cleaned my carrots. I'll go ahead and cut it into this circular shape. If you also have spring onions, this is the right time to put your spring onions into your curry goat sauce. You can also add green bell pepper for garnishing, or any bell peppers of your choice, but basically spring onions and carrots is fine. So I open my pot and check, and everything is perfectly okay. I mix it up, check the consistency. The consistency of the sauce is perfect. So I go ahead and add in the carrots, which is the last thing I'm adding in this curry goat. So if you have spring onions, like I mentioned earlier, this is the right time to put it, or bell peppers, and yeah, the curry goat is ready, perfectly cooked, nice flavor. The aroma is awesome. Everywhere is feeling this curry goat. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you are new to my channel, please join the family. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Don't also forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.